In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT in different ways, especially for writing scripts for YouTube automation. A lot of people underestimate ChatGPT because they think it doesn't always give the right output compared to other AI tools that only need a short and simple prompt. But as ChatGPT keeps improving, so does its way of understanding and analyzing what you ask it to do. If that sounds too complicated, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you why ChatGPT is still one of the best AI tools out there and how to use it properly so you can get the exact results you want every single time. Before we dive in, it's important to understand one of ChatGPT's most powerful yet often overlooked features: AI memory. The memory feature lets ChatGPT remember details you tell it about yourself, your writing style, or the kind of content you make. For example, you can say things like, "Remember that I write in a friendly and conversational tone," or "Remember that I make YouTube tutorials about AI tools." Once ChatGPT remembers those details, you don't have to repeat them every time. It's like having a personal assistant who already knows your workflow, tone, and audience. That way, when you ask it to create a new script, it instantly adapts to your style and gives you results that sound more natural and aligned with your brand. Now let's talk about how to actually use ChatGPT effectively. The first and most important step is to start with a clear goal. Don't just type something vague like, "Write a script about AI." Instead, be specific. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want it to do, how long the script should be, and what kind of tone it should have. For example, you can type something like, "Write a 2-minute YouTube script about how AI might replace humanity in the next few years." Make it sound casual, thought-provoking, and slightly humorous. Notice how that prompt tells ChatGPT what to write about, how long it should be, and what tone to use. The more details you include, the more accurate your output will be. You can also take it a step further by adding structure to your prompts. For instance, mention that you want an intro, body, and outro. You can say, "Start with a hook that grabs attention, then explain the idea with 3 main points, and end with a call to action." This helps ChatGPT understand the flow and pacing of your video. If you want to emphasize a specific part, say something like, "Make the introduction sound dramatic," or add a question at the end of each section to keep viewers engaged. These small details can make a huge difference in the final result. Once you get comfortable with this process, you'll realize how powerful ChatGPT really is. Not just for YouTube automation, but for almost any kind of creative work. You can use it to write blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, podcast scripts, and even product descriptions. You can brainstorm video ideas, generate titles and thumbnails, or create step-by-step outlines for courses and tutorials. The possibilities are endless. The key is to know how to guide the AI properly instead of expecting it to guess what you want. Another great tip is to build your own prompt templates. For example, if you always make how-to videos, create a reusable structure that says, "Write a YouTube script that starts with a friendly intro, introduces the topic clearly, explains the steps in simple language, and ends with a short call to action." You can save that prompt and just change the topic each time. This will save you time and keep your content consistent. As you continue using ChatGPT, you'll start to notice how much faster and smoother your creative process becomes. What used to take hours of brainstorming, writing, and revising can now be done in minutes. And the best part is, you still have full control. You can tweak, adjust, and polish the script however you want, but ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, This could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. So if you're serious about creating content and want to make ChatGPT your ultimate creative partner, start applying these techniques today. Use memory to train it in your voice, give detailed prompts, and refine your outputs until they sound exactly how you want. Once you master this, you'll never see ChatGPT as just another AI tool. It becomes your personal scriptwriter, your creative assistant, and your brainstorming buddy all in one. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.